Decon 7 should be used to sanitize laundry items including towels, bedding, linens, uniforms, and cleaning materials. There are 2 wash cycles for each load. The first is with the D7 solution. The second is a regular detergent wash cycle. You handle soiled laundry with the following protective gear: disposable gloves, protective coveralls, face mask, safety goggles. 1. Put on all protective gear. 2. Pre-sort the laundry and do any spotting or stain removal. 3. Weigh the laundry to be loaded into the washing machine and note the weight. 4. Place the small measuring cup on a flat surface. 5. Use a half-ounce measurement of D7 for every 20 pounds of laundry. Caution: do not use any other chemicals while washing with D7. 6. Load the soiled laundry into the washing machine. 7. Pour the D7 solution directly into the washing machine. Caution: do not try to load the D7 via auto-chemical feed systems. 8. Set the washing machine on a hot setting, 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius, for a 15-minute wash, followed by a 5-minute rinse cycle. 9. Start the machine. 10. Remove and dispose of the gloves. 11. Using soap, thoroughly wash your hands. The sanitation step of your laundry is complete. 12. Now wash the laundry a second time using regular detergent. The direct use of D7 on wool or silk garments can discolor the fabric. This includes blazers, vests, trousers, ties, pure wool sweaters, and silk scarves. These items should not be washed with D7. Instead, they are to be fogged prior to cleaning. 1. Hang wool or silk garments on a rack 3 to 4 inches apart. 2. Put the rack in a separate room or isolated area where you can fog with D7. If you have more than one rack, allow an aisle wide enough for the fogger operator to walk between the racks. 3. To fog, you will use a diluted solution of 1 part D7 and 10 parts water. For example, you would mix 2 ounces of D7 with 20 ounces of water. 4. Pour the solution into the fogger. 5. Do the standard preparations for fogging a room. Six. Put on the respirator mask and goggles. 7. Standing 4 feet away from the racks, start fogging. Point the fogger above the garments so the fog settles onto the fabric. Caution: do not point the fogger nozzle directly at garments. 8. Fog the rest of the room using the diluted solution. 9. Let the fog settle for 10 minutes. 10. Air out the room for another 10 minutes. 11. Brush the garments with a clothing brush to remove any residue. The garments can now be wet cleaned or dry cleaned using normal cleaning procedures.